What we do in a very simple way is we are able to proactively identify patients that have a financial need and automatically utilize different types of assistance programs for their benefit. So they are able to get their care they need without incurring financial debt. TailorMed is a healthcare tech company that helps patients with medication affordability challenges. As we all know, healthcare is suffering from an affordability crisis here in America. I think one of the biggest reasons for gaps in care is related to cost. That's all understood, but what people don't know is that there is an abundance of assistance out there for patients, around medication assistance for the most part. More than $50 billion of assistance lies in government subsidies, assistance programs coming from manufacturers like pharma manufacturers, and also charity programs. And patients are unable to tap into those. What we do in a very simple way is we are able to proactively identify patients that have a financial need and automatically utilize different types of assistance programs for their benefit. So they are able to get their care they need without incurring financial debt. We've seen that over the course of the last 6 years in multiple medication encounters, whether it's an outpatient infusion center in a hospital for a cancer patient or for someone that has diabetes in a nearby retail pharmacy store. And we've been able to build the largest network in the country that connects patients, providers, health systems, pharmacies, and pharma manufacturers that are all using our interconnected network to address medication affordability challenges and do it in scale. To date, we're working with more than 800 hospitals, 1,000 clinics, 650 pharmacies, and as of today, 6 pharma companies who are basically working with us in our technology to address that and basically be true to our mission, which is to move mountains for patients.
Now tell me, how are you unique compared to others that are in this industry?
So unfortunately, there aren't many others in the industry. However, the few that do are doing great things in a mission that I'm so passionate about. But we decided to take a very different approach to solving this problem. It is a multifaceted problem that has patients, providers, pharmacies, and pharma impacted. And to quote a few stats, patients are now seeing close to $200 billion of debt in America. Manufacturers are seeing almost $250 billion of lost revenues as a result of non-adherence and so forth. And to solve that at scale, we decided to form this network. The network in size is the biggest that there is, and also the diversity, meaning that we're seeing patients in every medication encounter throughout their medication continuum. But I think also the core technology that we've been able to build allows for the automation that removes a lot of the barriers that healthcare teams or the patients themselves need in order to secure those funding mechanisms. And last but not least, it's the people. As you probably know, software is great, but it's not enough if you cannot adopt it. And in healthcare and in hospitals, you have to have a very high-touch approach to helping teams realize the value of the technology that you bring. And that's what we do. And we have a very high-touch, white-glove approach to helping those realize the value we provide.
And as you look to the next 12 months, tell me, what are your priorities?
So first of all, we have to be there for more patients. That means that we need to onboard new hospitals and new pharmacies and new automation to this platform to help patients remove those barriers and do it in every medication encounter, everywhere prescription is written or dispensed. But I think what we've found over the years is we are uniquely positioned in this patient journey because we're solving for something that is not a nice to have. It is the cost barrier. And once you do so, you establish a trust with the care team and with the patient, and you are starting to find that you have the opportunity to remove barriers to care more broadly. I think in the next 12 to 18 months, we'll start striking through our kind of tagline, which is removing financial barriers to care, and simply be there for patients in every medication barrier they have.
Srulik, it has been wonderful to talk with you.
Same here, thank you.
Thank you for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you, appreciate it.